courage. We talk about courage on the program. Where did you find the courage to leave the comfort zone or the safety net of your 9 to 5 job to create your own success? Where did that happen for you? What was the impetus for starting Reverb?
I think that, you know, it I when I think back to that time when I started this company, I just remember thinking to myself that there's just got to be a better way. I'm working a lot of hours for another company. I'm stressed out all the time. I'm trying to make these sales quotas, and you know, this isn't really how I want to be spending all of my time. I want more freedom. Um, I want to be talking to more interesting people. I want to be, diving into technology in different areas. And I think the courage came from saying, well, whatever it is, it's probably going to be better than what you're doing now, you know? Um, and can you take a risk for 6 months to 9 months to see how things might go and figure it out? And also coupled with the fact is, do you actually have something that you think would give value to someone?